This is an NCHS student tutorial on Schoology's new Google Assignments tool. You'll know you're about to open this type of assignment if you see a clipboard icon in Schoology. Before you open the assignment, let's talk about best practices. Make sure that you are using Google Chrome. Using Chrome is a must. We strongly recommend that you are also signed in and syncing. Sign in using your school Google account and make sure your sync is on. By the way, this is best practice for most of your school assignments. One other thing you may want to do before opening this type of assignment is to clear out your cache and cookies. It's a good idea to clear out your cache and cookies every once in a while anyway. Start by clicking on the menu in the top right of Chrome and then go to Settings. Click Privacy and Security, clear browsing data. Make sure you've selected Advanced and that your time range is all time. You don't have to select passwords or autofill form data if you don't want to, but do make sure everything else is checked. Then, clear data. Now let's try opening up that assignment. Click the title. You may be prompted to sign into Schoology again because you just cleared your cache and cookies. Remember that your sign-in is your first name last name, not your full email address. Your password is the same as for ClassLink and PowerSchool. Once you get to this screen, you're going to click Link, so long as you see your school address right here. Click Link again, and it should bring you to a screen that looks like this. Notice that in this case, there's a rubric on the bottom with an explanation of the categories. And then there's a file. This is a copy of an original template that was made just for you. If you click on it, it will bring you to a template. This happens to be a Google Drawing, but you might also see a Google Slide or a Google Doc. For this assignment, the student is going to reflect on one thing they learned about themselves during middle school, and so they will write their answer here. And then they will reflect on how that self-learning will help them to do well in high school academically, socially, or emotionally. When you're ready to submit your assignment, go back to the Schoology tab. Another way to open up this assignment is to click the button that says Open to Attach and Submit. Here, you'll notice additional options to add files either from your Google Drive or from your computer, or even to create a file from scratch directly from the assignment. When you are ready to submit your assignment, click Submit, and Submit again. You will see a confirmation message that you're all set and your assignment is submitted. If you then go back into your assignment, you'll notice it is transformed to View Only. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In the next part of this module, you will practice submitting your own new Google assignment.